What is up everybody, Ilya here, and the topic of this video is Canva poster tutorial, how to create a poster on Canva. So here we are on canva.com, and in order to start creating, all we need to do is just to log in into our account, and then in the search bar right up here, let's try to input poster to find some templates we can easily use. So let's click on search. And in a few seconds, we'll find a lot of stuff we can easily use. So we have like 100,000 of different templates, which is insane. We can also create a blank poster, so we can create it from scratch. But to make it easier, let's try to find something which is suitable as for us. So I'm going to use this poster, I think. So there are a lot of free posters, but also we have like paid or only for pro. But we also have like free version, so I'm going to use this one here. So as you can see, we have the design looks like this. If we scroll down, we can also find a lot of other like templates in the same design, but I think that I'd like to use this one here. So let's click on customize this template, and we'll come to our customization area. And what is interesting as for me, that in the design area and in styles, we can find the option to change the whole like palette of our design, and we can easily customize it in an insane way basically. So I think that this one here is pretty cool in a red stage. So look at this, looks pretty good. So I think I'm going to use this one here. So to do this, just go to design folder and to styles, and from this page you can easily find the color palettes, font sets, or like combinations. So as for me, this one looks pretty good. Also we can add different elements, of course, brand hub, uploads, text, draw, and so on. So for example, from draw area, we can easily highlight something which is pretty cool, and sometimes it could be really helpful. But in my case, let's start customization. So the first thing, we need to set up our text. So we need to change who presents this stuff. So let it be like a helper mon tutorials hub presents. So I'm going to make it wider, and I want to centralize this stuff here. And the next step, we need to change the name. So let it be not the start party, but tutorials party. Tutorials party, let it be like this. And I'm going to make it wider, and I also want to rotate this stuff here. I want to rotate, and it looks like this. So we can also add some additional text. I'm going to click on text, and I want to add a heading. So best drinks ever, for example. Let it be like this. If you are going to create a party with our tutorials and subscribers, maybe. So let it be best drinks, and I'm going to click on it right up here, and I'm going to add some effects. So let's try to add glitch effects to make it maybe more suitable for our styles. And I'm going to delete this party area, so we can write like something else. So come here, for example. Why not? Also we need to add the date, so it will be like on the May of 15, and the year is 2023. So free parking, entry fee, let it be like $99 entry fee, free beer right up here. So now our poster looks like this, and I think that in 4 minutes this design looks insane, so we can easily use. Of course we can also add some more stuff. Let's try to find some elements. So for example, we can easily add our like social media. So let's try to add. I'm going to select, going to change the color, or we can easily change the position. So let's resize them. And I want to add them right up here, so in the central of like our stuff. So let's try to click on the Instagram here, and we need to place it in the central part. Also, I'm going to select all of this stuff to place them in the central. And what do we need to do is just to add basically the name. So let's try to add heading, and let it be like A Helperman. The color will be black. And we're going to make it smaller and place it right up here. So now we even added our social media to our poster. So basically let it be like this. And now our poster is ready to be exported, so we can easily click on share and then just click on download. So we need to choose the file type. Let it be, for example, the best variant is like PDF, but PNG is suggested, so let's use PNG. We can find the size and let's click on download. And in a few seconds, basically everything is ready. So we can now easily use these templates to maybe, you know, create posters to spread them. So it looks like this, which is pretty cool. It looks really insane. And we can also try to use some other styles, maybe this one here. Yeah, looks also good, but this Instagram should be changed to white color basically. Also cool, so we can also try to download it to compare them, basically how do they look like. So now we have like this style here. I think if we'll try to compare, maybe blue one looks even better. So this is the way basically of how can we create posters on Canva. Hope guys this video helped you out. If you have any questions or maybe you want to add something, you can of course write. I think that our subscribers will thank you for this. So this is a way basically of how can we interact with Canva in this way. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I'll try to answer for all of them. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.